Express.js versus Node.js, why it's time to migrate. By Procoders. What is Node.js? Quick overview. To know the difference between Express.js versus Node.js, we must first analyze each separately. Node.js is open source, cross-platform JavaScript code that runs on servers. It uses an asynchronous event-driven model and is designed to build scalable network applications. It's built on Google Chrome V8 engine, which makes it fast and efficient to develop apps. Popular apps using Node.js. PayPal. Obviously, one of the most popular payment systems in the world uses Node.js in its development process. PayPal began using Node.js back in 2012. GoDaddy. The well-known domain registration company uses Node extensively as part of its back-end services, including its hosting system that manages millions of domains across its global network. Netflix. Netflix is one of the world's leading internet television networks, with millions of users in over 190 countries. It uses Node.js for its streaming services, which provide high scalability and performance in real time. What is Express.js? Quick overview. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js. That's what mainly makes the difference between Express.js and Node.js. The former provides various features that make web application development fast and easy, which otherwise takes more time using only the latter. It provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. Popular apps using Express.js. Yumly. Yumly is a recipe-sharing website. Yumly's mission is to help people all over the world find, discover, and share food that they love. It's one of the first websites to use Express.js. MySpace. MySpace is a social networking service offering an interactive, user-submitted network of friends, personal profiles, blogs, groups, photos, music, and videos. It's another example of a website using the Express.js web framework. Accenture. Accenture is a multinational professional services company that provides a range of services and solutions in strategy, consulting, digital technology, and operations. Accenture's website uses server-side rendering with Express. Express versus Node, performance comparison. Express.js. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js framework that provides a robust set of features for web applications like routing, sessions, caching, etc. Comparing Node.js versus Node.js Express, the latter manages all the clutter that comes with setting up a server and gives you a simple interface to build your routes, and then use them for handling requests made by the users. Node.js. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking model which makes it lightweight and efficient for the server environment that has to handle multiple concurrent connections with low latency. Using Node.js will allow you to create such an application because it has high performance and speed. Node.js versus Express.js, scalability comparison. Express.js. Express is primarily a routing and middleware framework that is used to develop web applications, APIs, and mobile applications. Express can be installed as a dependency by using npm, which makes it easy to use with Node.js, and also extends the base Node capabilities for the development of an application or service. Express versus Node.js when working together are a super combination. Node.js. Node.js's asynchronous, non-blocking operations allow it to give high throughput and scalability to your application. Node.js does not create multiple threads for each new connection, but instead manages all connections within that single thread by pushing them into an event loop queue. The thread then handles all those events one by one from the queue. Conclusion. The Node.js and Express.js difference does not stop both from being great choices for those who want to add full-stack capabilities to their website, and they're both backward compatible with front-end code. In other words, one language can be used alongside the other in order to build a fully featured site. Node.js is the broader option and is suitable for most kinds of applications. On the other hand, Express.js is suitable for product owners, CEOs, and CTOs, looking to build an MVP to test product market fit. We have covered many aspects of Express.js and Node.js, but the latter is obviously the most powerful of the two. To build a fully featured app, our Pro Coders team is at hand to give you the best experience. Subscribe our channel and read more about Express.js versus Node.js, why it's time to migrate at Pro Coders blog.